Good morning, students. How you are well and stay safe at your home. Today we will learn about our new topic from Unit First from housekeeping. We will learn about equipment purchasing process and records. Let's start our today's topic. What is equipment purchasing process and records? Records, it's very important part for entire hotel department. If any departments want to purchase new goods, new ingredients, so it is very important to keep or maintain records of particular things which were purchased. In housekeeping department, it is very important to keep our purchasing record. In housekeeping department, it is we require to purchase day to day new item or and articles. A record for maintaining our last surprises. It is drawn in particular format. In this format, we draw a table and mention some important part like purchasing date, serial number, article or item number, last purchasing date, discard, name of discard item, date of discarded items, and quantity which is used from its purchasing to yet अभी तक. Now let's talk about purchasing process. Now let's talk about purchasing process. It is very important to follow a good process for purchasing new item and articles and some all things in our hotel industry. Before purchasing, we have to keep some important things in our mind. Because of this, we can avoid unusual hazards and others affected things to our business. First of all, principle of purchasing. What are the main principles of purchasing and what type of principles which are we have to set in our mind. First is right quality. Whenever we want to purchase new items or equipment in our hotel industry, it is very important to purchase right quality of equipment. In any hazards and any hazards, we can unable to purchase right quality of equipment. Second is right quantity. How much items or equipment we are required for our department. It is very important to know. Without any ideas and without any knowledge, it is very difficult to purchase new items or equipment in right quantity. So before purchasing any equipment, it is it must be kept in our mind what quantity we have to purchase. Right price, right quantity, right quantities and right qualities. Which types of equipment? Both two things are not enough. Right price also play very important role to purchase new equipment. Before purchasing any new equipments, we have to contact in a market. We have to contact different types of the suppliers. It may be wholesaler, retailer, and trade markers. Right time. Which time we have to purchase our new equipment? Suppose we are going to purchase a heavy equipment in housekeeping department, or we are going to purchase our new furnitures in our hotel industry for our room. But suppose this is not a peak time. It is not peak time. It is the off time for our hotel. So it is not a right time to purchase new furniture for our hotel. Suppose we require for new equipments, for new facade cleaning machines, but this time facade cleaning machine and new vacuum cleaner, okay, but this time we don't have too much workload. Our modern part of hotel is vacant. We can manage our equipment one place to another places. Third is right sources of supplies. Before purchasing new equipments, we have to contact different type of supply in our market. This supply may be retailer, wholesaler, or trade marker. We can draw different type of the quotation. We can check our quality, quantities, and prices. Then we will finalize our final order. Now we already explained our principle of purchasing. Now about stage of purchasing. This stage is divided in two parts. The first is pre-order and post-order. Pre-order means activities which is conduct for purchasing new equipment. Post-order stage activity regarding to our equipment, those are conducting after purchased equipments or items and articles, whatever. In pre-order, first is receipt of purchase or intent. It is very important whenever we are going to purchase new equipment. It is very important what type or how much quantity we are required. According to our requirement, we will prepare an indent and it send to it our HODs for finalize it. He will check it and finalize it with his or her signature. Floating of inquiry. When our HOD finalize our ingredients, then we will contact in our market with our supplier, who will be able to provide us right goods on right demands. Sample for approval. Whenever we complete our inquiry and we find our suitable supplier, we brought some sample. It may be in soft copies and in hard copy if it is possible to bring. Then we will check, we will not then approve this. After approval to our HOD, we will prepare a quotation and order for particular equipment. Okay, here to here we complete our pre-order stage. Now post-order stage, issuing of purchase order. Whenever we complete our quotation, we will issue our purchasing order. This purchasing order we will receive from supplier in two copy. First copy is original, second copy will be carbon copy, and we will finalize it. Okay, confirmation of purchasing receipt. We already explained this thing in issue of the purchasing. Whenever we place our order, we will receive a copy of the purchasing. This copy we received from the supplier. First copy will be original, second copy will be carbon copy, and we will receive this with supplier signature, and we will return it with our HODs or any authorized person signature. Now after ordering and purchasing slip, we will take our follow. We will get our follow-up about our equipment and our items. Then dispatch advice. Supplier provide us dispatch advice if any there is, if any item which may be it may be damageable. So he will suggest us about the dispatch advice. Now payment. Whenever we receive our goods, then we will check it and we prepare good receive notes, GRN. Then we send it in our main store. Then after we will prepare our payment process. So it was our stage of purchasing. Students, today we complete here principle of purchasing and stage of purchasing. Principle of purchasing in this topic we learn about right quality, qualitative product, right quantity, right price, right time, right sources of supplies. In stage of purchasing, it divided in two ways. First is pre-ordering, post-ordering. In pre-ordering and post-ordering, we already explained number of things. Hope you enjoy this video. Thank you.